You just found the 2021 Honda Civic. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.